Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are good. Hope you guys are all doing very well. Quite a few of you requested that I do this video, so I'm here going to attempt to do the tree makeup tutorial. So this style of video slash tag was started by Geneva. She was hilarious in that video. I loved it so much. If you haven't checked it out, make sure you go check it out. Support a fellow Ghanaian Canadian sister. So if you guys didn't know, I am Ghanaian. So my mom is Ewe. And my dad is half Ashanti and the other side is Sierra Leone and Trinidad. But my dad is Ghanaian. He grew up in Ghana. He's a Ghanaian man. But I cannot speak a lick of Ewe. I don't even understand it. I feel like my tree is decent. I can have a conversation with people, but it's not the best. But anyways, I'd love to know which part of Ghana you are from. Leave that in the comment section below. So anyways, in 3, 2, 1, we are going to speak tree. Tutorial way. But you know what tree, me tree, and yeah, perfect. But me try. Makeup products I may use what tutorial way. Ninya be what description box into clicky show more. Now a list of products in now be what why. Okay, yanko. My eyebrows it take a long time for me to that did not come out right. So my eyebrows dada. Because my eyebrows, it take a long time. Sometimes when my eyebrows, sometimes they on fleek. Other times no a boy. And then they me dream say my eyebrows are a boy, but you be fun sir. Me the eyebrow pencil way na eddy filling me brows no. If I did me this spoolie brush, be brush say sir. I say you cleaning your eyebrows. It say you sharp one. Me the concealer, be cleaning it up. And this concealer a Phoenix in the color then nutmeg a cocoa chem me actual skin color. So I say for color a little bit cocoa chem. I say we make sure say we blend the concealer out. Yan pe hello eyebrows unye angel. I say we blend it fine. Person my eyeshadow kakra won. Person my eyes no poppy. Into me the concealer beto man many ha neha. Where your friend who Fenty Beauty Matchstick war shade latte. Next, the translucent powder betuso. Ebe my eyelids are matte. Ye be party say translucent powder. Translucent powder way it's cosmetics. It's cosmetics almost shade range a baller. Okay, yeah the brush way free amber rose. Or you garden into support what it. Brush is way for fair yeah the blending out. Say blending it out. So I fine matte. I smooth be for eyeshadows and then may use the brand where your friend Anastasia Beverly Hills. May use the MR palette for modern renaissance and say them modern renaissance. Me the color way better me eyebrows underneath me eyebrows Ebe manual poppy. Yeah, gold color be. I say me blending and say blend. Next, Mefa fluffy brush. To say we mefa color way a orange bisa sa color be me transition color into say we blend blend me the color but to subium more blend me blend it way for eyeshadows I say we are patient and yes there be chaka be otherwise we makeup be yet say bobo color. And I say, you first omudian kaka moto be. So person make darky me crease, darker color but tuso. Me the color way and ye tum kakra won. Okay, be smoky. So me this color na me yen say. Say a long thing but so person and poppy sana say we Conform na kosro na we left. Me the color way so betuso. The same thing. Me the Call up down ne left. Up down ne left sa. Akomu be 3/4. Me de minim senya yebeka 3/4. Baku menu means quarters. Hey, by now they're gonna for yummy. Nonsense, me try. Next, me dear pese eyelids no me pe gold. I know you're my favorite. Anyways, me pese me use way ebe ma no poppy. Ya ma fabi. Anyways, it is a color no be curvy. So say ya fine color bisa. And team me wo palette fufu me use Fenty Beauty limited edition your friend Galaxy palette. Colors glitter sa. Lid colors no e be ye fair. Me use way partner on say ya. Oh wait dear me ye kanya me ye lights. Be to me from afar. Don't so cry and stop me. Next, I say we use a primer. Say we oily skin no, say we dry skin no, say we combination skin use a primer. Why? You knew I mean me use way there, but you better try. Your friend Milani Prime Shield. If I made him person me shiny, intimidate way kakre be. Bet to me highlighted points intimidate be. Bet to me misroha. Shining. Okay. Next, me the foundation Fenty Beauty. Yeah, my favorite. Person me on fleek. My fa way. So me pay every day. My family nice one. So person who video. Person what team review. Ko share. Me the palms be minsa. Fede ye be blending no. Next, me use concealer way to be highlighting minim. Into me hurna so my eyes under me de minim. Say na your friend. Say haswa. Name me the kitwe bi. But me pamper musa. I love hearts. So next, in person me setting my eyes no. Me the way benign powder was shade topaz. Be use banana ya light pan. For topaz ya better. Wap cha picture ne why yet to say ghost as to ghost. Me the beer to top ho or top no so. Next, you be contour. Contour be ma wonima ye sharp to say model. U cheekbones be poppy. To say na you cambo. Again, Fenty Beauty wash shade espresso. Where a tum. The more tum the better. But I say we blend it. So suck it in say ya. To say na woody toffee. Blending you. And yes sir. Be yet to say a brini will win him. Next, me the finishing powder. I am a color no but too many everywhere from Bare Minerals. A powder foundation, but me the me using for finishing foundation. Mo say my hit pan. A trace way powder papa. The powder no but party so. A party me name so. Say party no. Everywhere. Make sure better color. Next up, your blush. Almost see into me. You see blush. Me they make a blush and fam ho. Me the blush way cry. It's not even a color. We before be use it, but me they make paint. Me use it since your friend Desire from NARS. A pink. Mo. A bright pink be. Me they make paint. Me use so in that. Hey. That's right. Me they make me blush into. I'm blushing me ho. Next, highlight. Where you bronze. A free artist couture. Where you jacket eyeliner collaboration. Happy you. Kitwe being yes sir. You will shine pan. But me blingy. Wow. Say then other side no. Say ha me blenge. Hasua me blenge. Next, me the Vaseline kakra betuma no. Aye dry. Into me the brush way ne way color way betum niase. So next, ye the eyeliner betum mini inside. Next, me the liquid eyeliner be ye menim. Way a good eyeliner a tum. Next, me use mascara from It's Cosmetics, so that eyelashes no end sticky with natural lashes no. So lashes I'm using there Le Patron way a free Patron Cosmetics. Fe way more discount on Lizlizlive Fatoso. And where your dramatic lashes pa, but I'm look no I fine. Next, I am my lips. Into Medical Cosmetics, where I'm my favorite brown lip liner. Now my say a blender no. If I did may use color me no. Way first one Kylie Cosmetics was shade Candy K. Empty. So we say so blending lipstick no. Me pair ombre look into me the lighter pink bezel center sides where your friend Marlo a free Patron Cosmetics way some more discounts Lizlizlive. I say ombre tum coco. I did me well one last thing I mean me desire highlighter betuha but my near poppy more. Way yeah the end of look no into your real makeup tutorial tree no. Whoop a look where na and I saying catching me into person catching comments no. What be rating me tree no from 1 to 10 no. Me tree no 1 here. Say yeah 1 say yeah 10. Anyways, way at the end no. Me that's say me share my video no. This has been hard. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Yeah, if you have any video requests, leave them below. I would love to know which part of Ghana you're from. And if you're not from Ghana, leave what country you're from below. Let me know which country you are representing. Anyways, thank you guys for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. If you haven't watched my previous video, I suggest you should watch it. And anyways, I shall speak to you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.
Shut up. Boy, deep, so GG me.